So yay for pull-ups, right? There's lots of different variations. I'm going to show you 2 variations and some progressions, regressions for both of them. So here's what we're going to do. First off, I like to start people with a chin up, and a chin up is technically palms towards you. When you say pull up, usually you're talking about palms away from you. However, they're all variations of pull-ups because you're pulling yourself up. So anyway, so first off, we're going to do the chin. And when we do the chin up with the palms facing, we're going to take about a shoulder width approach to it. So we're not going to go super wide. Same is true for the overhead press. When the palms are away from you, you are going to be slightly wider than a chin up, but just a little bit. You don't want to go too wide because you want to just make sure that the right muscles are being utilized for the pull-up. So here we go, great back exercise. To get set up for the chin up, I'm going to, again, get my hands shoulder width, and they're going to face me. I'm going to keep my body in a straight line under the bar and up across my ankles, and then I'm going to pull up and down. So with that, I want you to think about engaging your back muscles, pull them together, pull those shoulder blades together, and then initiate the pull. Sometimes if you don't do that, you can make it more of a biceps movement, and we just want to make sure that the correct muscles are being used. So almost think of taking the shoulder blades, pulling them together, and then lifting yourself up. So for the overhand pull-up, we're going to take our palms, face them away from us, get a little slightly wider than shoulder width this time, and down. Again, taking those shoulder blades, pulling them together, and then finishing the movement. Now, not everybody can do a body weight chin up or pull up, so what we do sometimes is use these monster bands. This is a great monster band. I got it from Rogue. And I'm going to put my foot in it. This is one way to do it. I'm going to do the chin up variation to show you. It's in the middle of my body. Pull up. And this will just help take a little body weight off of it. So another variation I like to use a lot of times, if you can't quite do a pull up yet, is to get yourself up to the bar and then slowly bring yourself down under control. I like to see that negative portion, the eccentric, coming down very slow, lasts anywhere from 3 to 5 seconds as a beginner. And if you can't hold it and if you can't extend for that length of time, you're probably not ready for a negative pull up yet. But here's what it looks like. I'm going to do a chin variation. You can definitely do this with an overhead variation as well. So I'm going to get myself to the bar, chin over the bar, and now I'm going to lower, and then I'm going to get myself back up and lower. So this is a way to build strength without actually doing the entire pull-up. So definitely an option. If you don't have the bands, you might consider this, or you might even interchange those a little bit.